Welcome to EduPorm India. You're watching Expert Chemistry with Abhinav Gaur. Today in this video, we will study the major difference between alcohol, phenol and ethers. We will know what are alcohols, we will know what are phenols, and we will know what are ethers. Let's start with, for example, we have carbon single bond carbon, and both of these carbons are attached to 3 hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now, if I replace this hydrogen atom by hydroxyl group that means by OH, then alcohols will be formed. So this is the OH group. Here we have H, where we have H, H and H. So what are alcohols? Alcohols are the organic compounds which are formed by the replacement of hydrogen atom from any aliphatic or hydrocarbon. Okay, so whenever we have any aliphatic chain or we have hydrocarbon chain, so when the hydrogen atom of aliphatic chain or hydrocarbon chain is replaced by OH group, hydroxyl group, then alcohols are formed. Similarly, let's say we have benzene ring. This is a benzene ring. This benzene ring consists of 6 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All these carbon atoms are present in double bond with each other. This is carbon-carbon double bond. Similarly, this is carbon-carbon double bond. This is carbon-carbon double bond. So all carbons are present in double bond, and all carbons also consist of hydrogen. See, this is 1 valency, this is 2 valency. Let me show with the color. This is valency number 1, this is valency number 2, this is valency number 3. So here hydrogen atom is present. So if I replace this hydrogen atom of a aromatic compound or of a benzene ring by hydroxyl group, then phenols will be formed. So this is the structure of phenol. Okay, now there is one more definition, which is in case of alcohols, the hydroxyl group is attached to a carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, and this is a carbon atom of a carbon chain. So the organic compounds in which hydroxyl group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon of a carbon chain, then alcohols are formed. Whereas the definition for phenols is when hydroxyl group is attached to a sp2 hybridized carbon of a aromatic ring, then phenols are formed. So this is the basic difference and basic introduction of alcohol and phenols. Now let us understand what are ethers. So this is our alcohol in which a bond OH, that means hydroxyl group, is attached to a carbon chain. So if this hydrogen of hydroxyl group, okay, the hydrogen of hydroxyl group, if this hydrogen of hydroxyl group is replaced by a carbon chain, then ethers are formed. For example, we have ROR, CH3O, CH3. So this is an example of ether. Okay, so this is the basic introduction of alcohol, phenol and ether. Now in next lecture we will study about the classification of alcohol, phenol and ether. Thank you.